morning, good morning, good morning. It's clearly not morning. It's only 5:30. But as British winter goes, and we are getting close to winter, it gets dark early. I put the bike in urban mode, so it's maximum ABS, maximum traction control. Temperature gauge is reading 14 degrees, but I think that is wildly inaccurate as it's only just come out from the shed or the workshop. So yeah, we're going to take a quick ride into town, quick spin round, see if there's anything going on. It's the last night before our second lockdown, so obviously McDonald's is busy. Everyone panicking, even though you'll be able to get food at any point delivered. Doesn't seem to be as much concern, worry, stress around this lockdown as it was previously. I think now we feel we've got like an end date, even though that might not be completely accurate. So yeah, it's nowhere near as a delve into the unknown as it was last time round, back in March. In reality, it's only retail and hospitality services that are affected. I mean, that's bad enough. That's a lot of people. That's a lot of people that are on furlough or concerned about their jobs. But as far as actual lockdown goes and roads being quiet, it's not going to change much. Schools are still open, colleges are still open. But hey ho, we've just got to deal with it, and deal with it we will. So I'm on a little play tonight because I'm recording my audio not only through the usual method of the GoPro and the mic, but I've linked my Bluetooth headset to my phone, and I'm recording the audio through the phone as well. Bit of a heads up from Motoramblings, which is a cracking channel over in the States. And I asked him the question because I noticed he had no wires going to his helmet cam, and he pointed out that he records through Bluetooth, told me which app to get, and that's what I'm doing. So I'm just trying it out. What I might do is swap back and forth with the sound, just to see what I feel is better, what I think sounds better. Because what it does do is, unfortunately, when you have to plug a microphone or a microphone adapter into a GoPro, you take off the waterproof door to do it. So that means if you're vlogging in bad weather, your GoPro is not waterproof. So by doing this, if it works okay, I can actually vlog comfortably by recording the audio without having to have the GoPro open to the elements. So yeah, a quick spin round Weston. Just to see what life is in the old town, because everyone is heading home tonight. I expect the clubs will be, not clubs, I expect the pubs will be busy tonight, people grabbing their last sociable drink before being stuck at home. also a bit of a test for me on the camera, because it's nice to see what sort of low light visuals you get from these GoPros. So he's turning right, lovely. But this is going to be a quick vlog. It's just, you know, it's dry at the moment, it's not raining, and it's not too cold. So get out, get some footage before I don't get the opportunity. I mean, lockdown's not going to affect me because we're staying open, which is great. But it's we're still limited by weather. I can't do a recreational ride now, so if we get a nice dry day I can't go out for a quick spin to get some footage. I can only really vlog if I'm riding to and from work. No, there's Weston Pier, still lit up, still closed. Well, there's still some life around, there's still people about. I just hope when this all comes to an end we can get back to some quality normality. I don't think it's going to be anytime soon, certainly not 4 weeks, but I pray that normality is not something we have to forget or change. So guys, please stay safe, please stay sane. It's a scary prospect. We're in November, the month of mental health support for men and women of all ages. Look after each other. And remember, it's a situation where a problem is only a problem if you don't talk to somebody about it. Let people help, don't keep it bottled up. Communication is key right now. My DMs on Twitter are always open. I reply to every single message that comes through on YouTube. Please feel free to sound off at me. Give me some grief. If it makes you feel better, I can take it. But I do pray that we all come out of this stronger at the end of it. And although there are going to be some sad times for many families, that's inevitable. I hope they're as few and far between as they can be. Stay safe, stay strong, stay sane, look after each other, be kind. And I've just let that guy go across because that's my opportunity to be kind. And I will very much catch you on the flip side.